Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video I'm going to find out the stock for today for a short straddle opportunity. So we did analyze using the ADX to find out the stock for a short straddle. So again we are going to do the same, and for now what are the stock which is best for a short straddle while today 5th of July. So we are going to find out what are the stocks that giving you the short straddle opportunity. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video is for educational purpose, so you can take your own risk. Now using our ADX, so we are creating a scanner in a charting. So very simple. We can create the scan the ADX, which is crossing down. Okay, her crossing below the number 20. So this 20 below, well, less volatile stock, and 25 below, the stock is previously in a range, they're trending, and now it is started coming down to like a sideways. So either 20 is even better. You can take a some risky kind of trade. You can take it at 25. So let's first we check it at 20. ADX crossing below 20. What are the stocks which is the ADX is crossing below 20 as per today's closing basis? So from the stock we can filter out some stocks and find out some trading opportunity. So let's now. So a lot of stock which we are finding the ADX is crossing below number 20, and State Bank, Mahindra, Coal India. So these are the stocks, and let's find out the stocks. Now first one is SBIN, and we will cross check with that ADX parameter. Sorry, cross check with average directional index. I'm not taking for an intraday, so it's a positional trade. I'm going to take daily basis. On daily basis, SBI, the ADX was quite going down, and but now today the price is increased. But now the market were around 430. So what we are expecting, and previous range also be looks like a range bond. So now we will check what is the premium. So around 430 is the today's scenario, or today's market price is closing around 430. We are taking a 430 call option and put option. So what would be the expected premium present on that? Let's go for a NSE side. We will go for option chain. Find out SBIN. Go for a derivative. There you can find out the option chain. So we'll go for a ATM options. This is the nearby ATM around 430, and the spot price is around 433. So let's check 435 should be the nearest ATM. And you see that the 435 premium is 12 rupees, and this one is 11 rupees. 435. If you're checking a 430, 15 rupees and 9 rupees, almost 22 rupees. Here also you can see 23 rupees, and if you are go for a 440, 10 plus 13, almost 20, 22, 23 rupees. So what this will tell you, so the ATM premium, one out of the money, one ITM, is showing the total premium is around 24, 25 rupees. So we can expect the market movement either at 25 points from here, from 432 plus on 25, 455, or even 405. So that is what the expected range using the option premium. So if market moves this much of range, so this can 100% this straddle may give you a loss. But if you are planning, the stock will be a range one. For example, if you take some last 10 days range, the low of the stock is 415 and high of the stock absolutely today it is around 430, almost 15 point range it was trading. But if you are selling both the options, we received the premium of 25. So the market was trading in a 15 rupees range. Sure, we are going to get the time value as benefit. So this ADX is showing here down, So we can make a start straddle on this stock. Sure, it will be giving you profit. Here go for a short triangle on the stock. The recent high, which is made around 440, and the recent low, it is around 400. So even on the last from the last 1 month, even from 24th May, almost 2 months, the stock were trading in the 440 and 440 to 400 range. So the 40 rupees range is the for the stock, but in between the middle strike price is around 420. So I have the chances giving the short straddle giving you better result. But right now we are checking this for an opportunity. Today the ADX value is going down, and there will be a movement should be the less. So we can go for a short straddle on this. So we are receiving the total premium of 430. Let's check with the straddle premium. All option as BN 430 put option. We are going to check the total premium what it is today. And you see that today the total premium is around 25.45. If you are taking a exact ATM around 430, but if you check the previously the same chart, how the premium is going down from, so because very flat in nature, if you are taking a 430 call or put over a previous history from last month, the premium has started around 45 rupees. Now it is trading 25 rupees. Almost 20 points is down from this straddle premium, because the time value of an option is always going to decay. So while we are selecting the right strike prices, and important thing to find out the right stock. Sure, the strategy will make you the profit while you are taken out. So the premium, even if you are selling at right now the prices of 25, so the recent high 37 we can maintain as a stop loss when the stock moving either the direction. So even we can make a stop loss using the straddle chart. So we can make a 37.7. Now we are selling around 25. So almost we may have the stop loss of 12 rupees. So it's good enough. If the market stays on the same range, the total premium will go, and the total premium may end worthless. And the next stock which is going down, and M&M Finance, and again now the ADX value is started moving down, and previously the stocks have a little bit higher range, but the stock value is 120 point is the range for the stock. Somewhere it is trading around 150 to 170. So now trading in middle. So we can also create a short straddle. Now the ADX is started moving down. But let's check 160 M&M Fin. What is the premium? And previously the stock is up and down. So we may be facing some up and down in straddle also. So now 160. Let's check it out. 60 call option. 60 put on. See that previously the straddle it's moving up and down, because this stock was trading up and down. But even though if it was up and down, so the premium is around 24. Now it is 12 rupees. Even if you are going for a short around 12 rupees, we can maintain a stop loss around 17, almost to 5 rupees. If the stock trades in between the range, sure the premium is going down. If it is breaking either the side, the premium going to increase. So we can make a stop loss for the straddle around 17. And Coal India, leave Eicher Motor Nestle, and you can see Coal India. Coal India, now it is cleanly going down, and previously the stock is very less move, and the ADX is also telling you and going down. The momentum previously the momentum is there, and now the momentum is off. The momentum is not good. So in this stocks we can go for a short straddle. Now the prime price of the stock is around 150. Let's check even if you are checking the same stock previously, so the premium should going down. So previously around 22nd there was a 150, again now 150, almost 10-12 days gone, but that day we are checking the premium is going down by 25, where we got a 25 below. It is around 28. Let's check 150 Coal India call plus put option. The call option. See that this is the gap on 18th. So we are going to check from, because it is a big down on 18th. So that is why the premium is increased. But that time the ADX is more than 37. So we are not going to focus for a short straddle. But once the ADX is going down on 28th, so that is the premium is the same strike price, we are going to focus. That time 28. The 28 the price for 26, 28. The 28 price is around 10.45. Now it is trading 9.35, 1 rupee down. So if you are going to take an opportunity to short straddle around 9 rupees, 9.35 is the premium, and we can make a stop loss of 14 or even this I around 12.7. So this stock, if we are planning, the stock is going to trade in a range bound. But so what we are expecting, if the stock is trading in a range bound, we are going to make money. Either the direction, if the stock breaks up or breaks down, we are going to lose money. But we have some cushion point from the total premium received is our cushion point for the upside or downside. If the market moves in between the range, we are going to make money on short straddle. If it is moving either the range, we are going to lose money. So we know some managements to make a stop loss for the each legs, or a straddle premium as a stop loss. We can make a stop loss in a total premium or individual leg, or even we can create another straddle. So like we can manage it out. We will see on our next videos. And if you want to learn more strategies, you can contact me, the number scrolling on this video. And if you like this video, you can like and share to your friends. Comment if you have any other questions. Thank you.